welcome back to another video. And today, what are we playing? What are we playing?
Field Trip Z.
Yeah. Field Trip Z.
This game is so much fun. I've played it before.
Welcome to your first day of Robloxian High School. My name is Miss Karen. Miss Karen. I get why she does that.
Jack. Listen to me. Pick the choices that I pick, okay? Because I'm going to get you through some endings that I don't think you have played before.
Good luck, and remember, don't break any of the school rules.
Okay? Go.
It's the very first day of high school. Let's go in.
Jack, go through the lockers. Okay? Go through lockers. The red ones.
Why?
Red ones. They have stuff in them that you can take to help you for the field trip.
I'm hiding in one. I'm hiding in my locker.
Hiding in your locker?
Yeah.
The bandages. Jack, I have so many bandages.
Belle, come over.
Hold on, I'm going through the lockers, okay? Hold on. This one, no. Anything. This one, no. Oh, more bandage. Okay. No, nothing. Through here.
There's a dude here.
Yeah, that's the bully. If he's wearing black, that's the bully. Go to class. Go to class. Press go to class.
I am. But it's not letting me.
There you go. I think you're both talented. Okay, let's get to class, Jack. Quick.
I'm already in here.
Oh, right here. Get in. Jack, we're right across from each other.
Yeah, but that girl tried to steal your seat.
Yeah, it's my seat, girl.
She's
Jack,
trying.
I got a donut and more bandages.
Okay, so what if people don't get to class? Like that girl over there, that baconette, tried to steal your seat.
If they don't get to class, they die. Yeah, that girl right there is dead. Oh, no, wait, never mind. This is teleport. Jack, you can get out. You can get out of your seat. Get up. Okay, Jack, follow me. Oh, no, wait. Get back to your seat.
Welcome to high school. Fantastic. Welcome to your first day of high school.
Jack, follow me.
Hope that we...
You can get out of your chairs. Jack, come up here. This is like a safe spot.
I just got...
This is like a safe spot. Like, there's going
Miss
to be
Karen,
zombies that come
please
up
report to
here.
the principal's office. Oh, the principal
Up
needs me.
here to stay, okay?
Okay.
And Jack,
I'll be right back, students. Please behave while I'm gone.
Jack,
What?
when the teacher's gone, open up the door. Open up the door. Because it's an escape route. It's an escape route where you can get away from the zombies. Teacher gone?
The teacher's gone!
I opened it. Out. Okay, Jack, I opened it. This is an escape route to get away from the teacher when zombies come, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Get down! The teacher's coming!
Back to your seat. Teacher's coming. Jack.
I'm coming! Yes, okay. Phew. I made it back to my seat. That guy's trying to steal your seat.
Oh, teacher back.
Who?
Ryan,
Keep it a secret. We didn't see anything.
We didn't see anything. I'm gonna walk around.
Due to some unseen circumstance, lunch will now be early.
I'm going through it, George.
See,
Help, Jack, help.
You're stuck in the bottom.
Jack, help.
You're moving around and I can't help you.
I
Jump!
want to reset. I don't know what will happen if I reset. Jack!
I don't know how to help you.
Reset.
I don't know how to help you.
I'm going to have to reset. That means I'm going to leave the game. So I'm going to have to reset. Bye.
No, you won't. You don't leave the game. I think you'll still be here.
No, you died. See? You died. Respawn as zombie. You have. I have 1 life left. Oh my god. Jack, I have 1 life left. Jack, I'm back. Jack,
You
I'm
back?
Yes, I'm outside. Jack. Jack, no, I can't come in. Jack, no. I'll just wait until the next class, okay?
Okay.
You explore the school for me.
Okay.
Find anything suspicious, take it. Oh, I found it out. No, it's a kitty. Jack, I found the key.
I found a donut.
Hello, kitty. Hello.
Oh, I'm stinky.
Go to science class. Science class. The science teacher is very smart. He knows that there's going to be a zombie as popular. So, we're going with the science. So, I'm going to have to wait. Both to skip. I skip. Hopefully I get teleported and not die.
Phew!
Yep.
I made it.
I'm here. Jack,
Now come over here. Fight me.
Yeah.
Great. Let's start learning.
Yay! I love science.
Yeah.
Man, I wish I was in art class.
30 minutes later.
Okay, so this is when the zombie apocalypse is going to happen.
Oh, shoot. We have to survive.
Come, up here. Get up here. Oh. Get up here.
Zombies.
This is a safe spot.
Made it up.
I'm gonna hold up. Jack, I'm coming. I'm here. We're
Okay.
safe up here.
Stay indoors. Do not approach the infected.
I think a zombie is going to break.
Zombies! I knew it!
See? The zombie, the science teacher knew it. No, wait, Jack, we have to get weapons. Get down. We're going to be safe. We have to get weapons from the storage closet. Let's go. Get out of my way, lady. Let me in. I'm going to get crowbar.
I got a crowbar.
Okay, let's head back to science class.
Ah! Okay, now that we've done that.
Crowbar. Jack, I'm going up. You coming?
Yeah.
I'm coming up. Just in case a zombie does break in, we are safe and safe.
I'm stuck.
Clink up windows! Jack, get down! We gotta help clink up windows. Jack, get stuck. Okay, let's go. Quickly. We gotta grab wood from the main room. From where the doors are.
Let's go.
We gotta clink up all windows. Every single window. No window must be left unclinked. Okay, grab to this window. Please.
We have to board every single window.
Yeah, it's going to take a long time. But since you have a lot of people, it'll be much easier.
Oh my god.
Place in place. Place. Okay. Go to the next class. Going into here. Place.
I'll do one too. Wait, now let me do a window.
Okay, you can do that window. We just have to get all these done. Because
Yeah.
I know what happens if you don't.
What happened?
You said bad job, and then zombies will break it. So, make it. I need that. Medkits are good. I don't have room. We need the cafeteria boarded up. Cafeteria.
Okay, one window's all boarded up.
Okay, we need to get the cafeteria. I got the cafeteria.
Where's the cafeteria?
No. Hold on.
You did a good job boarding up the school.
Yes.
Yes.
Back to class. Get back to the class. Jack, you there?
Yeah.
No. This is the bad part. The janitor. No, we have to get to the bathroom. This is the janitor. Look, janitor boss. We have to get to the bathroom. Okay, Jack?
Okay. It's the janitor! We need to find a place to hide.
Place to hide. The bathroom. Quickly, go. Jack, let's go. Keep your weapon out just in case.
Okay.
You don't know what will happen. Oh, I remember this ending, and I won't tell you what it is because I don't want to spoil it for you. Oh, he's right at the front door, Jack.
Come on.
Jack, here? I'm
Yeah.
waiting for you. Come on. Shut the door. Yes.
Whew. We made it.
Let's hide in the stalls. Get in.
Okay, I'm in. 4 hours later.
Safe in the stalls.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
The janitor, he was huge.
You look huge. Oh, it's the bully. Jack, it's the bully. It's time to fight. Ah!
Ah! The gas knocks you out.
What?
We are tiny.
Jack, when he breaks the glass on the mirror, grab it. Okay? He's gonna shoot lasers when you and then when move. Don't go by the red. That's his attack. Ow, I got it. Well, I didn't die, I got hit. Oh, move. That's on you. Jack, move around.
Woo!
Ow, I got hit. Okay. Okay, though. You gotta wait for him.
Oh!
This way.
Oh.
Good. Okay. You can't get us, bully.
Yeah.
What do you do now? He's shooting in the mirror. Oh, no, I thought he was shooting in the mirror.
Ah!
You have to wait. Oh! He shot the mirror. Grab it. Pick it up.
Ow, I got hit.
You got it.
I got it!
Oh!
Oh, he died!
I need the med kit. Jack, you good?
Yeah.
Are you low on health? Jack, come back over here. Come over here.
I can't come over there.